Next, first we need to create the storage account as well, ADF. Okay, so I need to go, first I need to create resource, and in the resource I'm going to creating ADF. So that will be the Azure Data Factory. So in the Azure Data Factory you can take the service as a DF. Okay, so this DF I'm going to creating, and ఇక్కడ చూడండి, you can see here this will be the default one, and the resource group I'm going to creating the new one. Already existing one I'm not using here, so that name will be Linked Service 123 I'm taking. Okay, so after that instance name also the same one I'm taking, that will be the Linked Service 123. Okay, so east US only I'm taking the default one, and ఇక్కడ ఏం నేను చేంజ్ చేయట్లే, I'm not changing anything here, just I'm blindly I'm clicking on review and create, so I'm not changing anything here. Okay, so clicking on create, so it will be deploying and creating as well the same thing. So it is deploying in progress. So linked service is creating. So go to resource, so ఇక్కడ క్రియేట్ అయిపోయింది. సో ఓపెన్ దిస్ లింక్డ్ సర్వీస్, యూ నీడ్ టు లాంచ్ ఫస్ట్ దిస్. ఓకే, యూ నీడ్ టు లాంచ్ దిస్ వన్. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది, మనకి క్రియేట్ అయింది. సో దిస్ విల్ బి ద వెరీ ప్లెయిన్ వన్, అండ్ before that I need to create the storage account first. So in that storage account only I need to link the two data sets. Okay, so create resource again, and here you can take storage you can take. Okay, storage account. In this storage account you need to create one storage account, and you can create here, you can take the create, and ఇక్కడ resource group అనేది ఇక్కడ ఐఎమ్ క్రియేటింగ్ న్యూ వన్, దట్ విల్ బి ద లింక్డ్ స్టోరేజ్ 123. Okay, so the storage name also I'm taking same thing, linked storage 123, the storage account name. Okay, so the same thing here, the primary you can take Gen2. Okay, next the standard one తీసుకోండి, you can take only the standard one here, and the same thing, you don't want to change any default options, so the tier one also the same thing, you can keep it as hot only. So next I'm going to creating next click on create. ఇక్కడ వరకు వచ్చే ప్రాసెస్ ఎవరికైనా Until here you will get anyone this process? చెప్పాలి. కృష్ణ వచ్చా మీకు ఇక్కడ వరకు ప్రాసెస్? రాదా? స్టోరేజ్ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం, ఏడిఎఫ్ అకౌంట్ క్రియేట్ చేయడం రాదా మీకు? చూపించాను కదా. ధీరజ్, you know right how to create the storage account and how to create the...
Yes ma'am.
Here you don't have any doubts, I think so. So after that click on resource, go to resource. So ఇక్కడ ఏం చేయాలి అని అంటే you need to upload the some files. So for that you need to take container. Okay na? So you need to take one container. ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుందంటే here what happens means it will create a default one logs. So in number of container you can add here. Okay, so click on container here and just you can take that will be linked service you can take. Okay, so one, okay, first one I'm going to creating here. So in this linked service, in this container I'm going to opening this one and I need to upload, browse for a file in the downloaded one, query data. Okay, in the CSV file I'm going to taking. Next, after that I'm going to uploading this one. So it is uploading successfully, and after that another container I need to create. Oh god, you need to open this one and container again. So one linked service is created and another linked service also I will take. Okay, linked service 2. Okay, clicking on create. Okay, open this linked service again and click on upload, browse for file, download, role assessments I'm going to take. Okay, upload. Okay, two containers I have created and in two containers we have the data. So after that you need to go and launch this one. Already we have launched here, right? So here what happens, clicking on new, you have created this data flows and datasets. So ikkad nunchi from here itself you don't want to create anything. Okay, and here what is this? This is the home. So we don't have any data sets and we don't have any pipelines here. So first after that, what is this? This will be the author. So author means these are all the pipelines and all the things you need to create from here itself, right? So after that, what is this? This is also monitoring. So ఏదైతే పైప్ లైనింగ్ రన్ అవుతుందో, ఏమవుతుందో, సక్సెస్ అయిందో, సక్సెస్ అవ్వలేదో, ఇక్కడ నుంచి మనం మానిటర్ చేసుకుంటాం ప్రతి ఒక్కటి. అవునా? నెక్స్ట్, from here itself you need to create one linked service. So this will be the manage, we call it as. So ikkada ఏంటి, first clicking on new. So ikkada ఈ clicking on new లో first you need to take the blob storage. So blob storage తీసుకుందాం first. Azure blob storage. You can select Azure blob storage here, clicking on continue. So ikkada enti ivanni we need to select here. So in the subscription part, so account key will be the, you can take same one and you don't want to take anything, and subscription will be the same. So ఈ సబ్స్క్రిప్షన్ అనేది సేమ్. ఆల్రెడీ మనం స్టోరేజ్ అకౌంట్ అనేది క్రియేట్ చేసాం. ఉన్న స్టోరేజ్ అకౌంట్ మాత్రమే ఇక్కడ తీసుకుందాం మనం. ఓకేనా? So that storage account will be the linked storage 123. అనేది తీసుకున్నాం. సో ఇక్కడ సో హియర్ if the linked storage will be correct, so that time only it wants to allows the create one. So you want to create, okay, one linked service will be created successfully. So I need another linked service as well. Okay, so what I need to do now, I need another linked service. Guys, please tell
Go
me.
to edit option.
No, I need to create another linked service. Again we need to clicking on new, the same thing I'm going to creating here, same one. So here I think I will take the different one, Azure Data Lake. Yeah, if the data lake, I think it will not work, we will see it will work or not. Again I will take the same blob storage. Okay, data lake we will see in the Gen 2. I think for this subscription is there or not, I don't know, we will see. So the subscription also the same. The storage account I am going to take the same storage account, so it will work. So wait, okay, I'm going to creating. So what happened here, the two storage accounts will be created successfully, right?
Linked service.
Yeah, in the linked service we have created two services, right? So what we have the type it is showing. One type will be the Azure Blob storage, next one is Azure Data Lake storage. So it will be shown the type, and here what we have taken the service, that service data lake and data storage, that will be shown. So related one it is 0, annotations we didn't add anything here. So now we don't want to add any annotations here. Okay, next what we need to do, first we need to create the data set. So here we don't have any data sets, so that's why it is not showing anything here. So if the data set is there, it will be shows the 1, 2 and all the things results here. So clicking on new data set here. So in the new data sets, so these all are, we will call it as now data sets. So these all are the data sets. So here in the data set I want to take which data set here. So in the first I need to take the data set, that will be, again I will take the storage account. So blob storage only I will take. Okay, so actually in the free subscription the storage will allow only blob storage is Cosmos DB, and no, we will not allowed, I think so. It will miss through, the validations will not pass. So here I am taking in the format CSV file. Okay, in the delimited text one, it is named, I am going to taking linked service 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to take one link service. So this one I'm not creating any new linked service from here itself, because it is true as an error. So already I want to do browse. So already we have the two linked services in Azure account, right? In Azure account I have created two linked services over there. So first one I am going to take, and in that linked service what we have, the query CSV file we have imported over there, right? So this one I am going to select. జాగ్రత్తగా చూడండి, see carefully guys here. So here I am not taking anything, I am just clicking on here none. So I don't want to any import the schema connections and all the things, so that's why I'm taking a none here. Okay, so clicking on create. So what happens here, the connections. So connections will, all the things will be passed, and the query, the file path, what the file path I have given, these all the things. We need to preview the data, you can preview the data. So what the data is there in that file, you can preview the data here. Okay, so after that I'm going to taking the compression type here. In the compression type I'm taking only the zip file. Okay, in the zip file, and after that I am going to taking the compression level type, so that will be optimal. So fastest you don't want to take here, just you can take optimal type only. So this will be the commas one. So here you want to take, that will be the tab type you can take. Okay, this all the columns type what we need. Next, so you can leave just like that, and we are not importing any schema here. Further classes we have to import the schema and all the things I'll show you. So what happened here, we have created one data set. So one data set will be created. Next, after that I need to create the another data set. How to create another data set? How to create another data set? Tell me. So again you can take, again you can take new data set. So again you can take new data set, and you can take the same information. So that's I am taking here the blob storage only. So clicking on create, the same thing I am taking here, new, and just I am taking here this one. So in this blob storage only I am selecting the file. It is taking automatically for it is not taking. Yeah, this roles, and I'll take here. Okay, so clicking on OK. Next, you can take same as here, none only. I'm not taking any connection storages and all the things here. Okay, next, after that going to clicking on. Next, the same compression type, every time you need to take only the .zip files only. Okay, so what happens, the first linked service and second linked service will not save. Now here I have a question, guys. Here ma'am, how can you say here it is not saved? How? So this is the first linked service, this is second linked service. I think ఇక్కడ సేవ్ అయిందా సేవ్ అవ్వట్లేదా అని చెప్పేసి ఎలా చెప్తున్నారు మేడం మీరు?
We haven't published.
Actually, see here we have a dot here, right? Where is the dot like this? We haven't published. If it is not there here, dot circle symbol, it will be published and it will be saved. So see here, like that it will be show. Okay, and next, in the compression type, optimal only you can take, and here you can take the tab one. So after that all you can leave just like that only. So here what happened, we have created linked one service and linked two services, so in the two data sets. So finally what I need to do now? So what happened here, we have created the two linked services. So I'm going to publishing directly. So see here, so linked service 1 to 3, linked service delimited text one. I'm going to publishing this. I think it is publishing. So she here ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే సర్కిల్ సింబల్ అయితే ఉందో ఆ సర్కిల్ సింబల్ పోయింది, అవునా? yes or no guys?
Yes, ma'am.
సో ఏదైతే ఉందో అది పోయింది ఇక్కడ. సో ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది, వాట్ హ్యాపెన్, సో ద లింక్డ్ సర్వీస్ విల్ బి సేవ్ మేనర్ అయింది. సో ఇక్కడనే కాదు, యాక్చువల్గా వేరే దగ్గర అయినా కూడా, అంటే మీరు పైథాన్లో కోడ్ రాసి సేవ్ చేయకపోయినా సరే ఇక్కడ చూడండి ఒకసారి. దిస్ ఈజ్ నార్మలీ HTML కోడ్. wait this is normally HTML code. I will remove the automatic save once. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక కోడ్ రాస్తాను చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ కోడ్ రాశాను. ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది, సర్కిల్ సింబల్ అనేది వచ్చింది. అంటే ఏంటి, ఈ కోడ్ అనేది సేవ్ అవ్వలేదు. కంట్రోల్ S కొడితే ఇక్కడ చూసారా సేవ్ అనేది అయిపోయింది. సో ఇక్కడ ఏదైతే సర్కిల్ సింబల్ కనిపిస్తుందో అలా ఉంటే కోడ్ అనేది సేవ్ అవ్వనట్టు. ద బేసిక్ థింగ్ గైస్. ఓకే, సో నేను అసలు సేవ్ చేయడం మర్చిపోతాను కాబట్టి ఏం చేస్తాను అంటే, పోయిందా సెట్టింగ్స్, మర్చిపోయాను, ఆఫ్టర్ డిలే పెట్టేసుకుంటాం. సో ఆటోమేటిక్గా సేవ్. సో వీ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ లైక్ ఆటోమేటిక్ సేవ్ ఇన్ హియర్. సో in this programmatic it will be supports. So it will be saved, published without any errors. All the publishes happens. So go and see here, the two linked services will be created. You can open and the data will be here. Okay, you can, it is linked to one file to another file, the same data. Okay, you can edit and you can do it as well. So here we haven't create, if it is not there any data in the specific we don't have any data here, it will not show. So it is have the data, we have created the types to only the data sets. So you can go and you can see the notification here. So published, completed, successfully created the two linked services. So this is the storage one. In the storage data lake we have created. So here the data lake is working. Okay, so this is the notifications, and this is note. This is not mandatory for you guys. So is it clear everyone how to create the data sets linked services?